Welcome at PASS 2024 from ETH Zurich. I'm here with Laurent Villard and Stefan Brunner for FFL Lausanne, so plasma physics. You were chairing a three-part symposium. So what was this symposium about?
So the symposium was about applications of HPC methods, but beyond that also, I'll come back to this in a minute, for fusion research. So magnetized fusion research, to be more precise. And we organized these 3 sessions together to bring enough critical mass to the system, and also to examine 3 different aspects that go from the theory formulation down to the numerical methods, down to the HPC implementation, because we strongly believe progress has to be done by considering these 3 things together. Hence, 3 mini symposia, but actually also 3 different fields, maybe 3 different topics. Maybe you want to pursue on this.
We had 3 sessions that always covered these 3 layers, but on 3 different subjects. The first session was on AI, machine learning, and quantum computing, which was very much the topic of this conference. And then the second session was on the current development of gyrokinetic codes, which are a bit the workhorse of kinetic simulations of magnetic fusion plasmas. And the current development is towards developing these codes at the very outer edge of the fusion plasmas, and that's a very challenging area. And the third session was today on further the theoretical limits of gyrokinetics. Gyrokinetics is a reduced model, assumes certain orderings, and there are limits to these orderings, both at the large scales, machine size scales, and at the very small scales of at the limit of the Larmor radii. Yeah.
So after all your discussions, if you were to summarize one important takeaway message, what would that be?
Well, there would be many, because, I mean, as Stefan said, there were all these aspects. I mean, for me, really, personally, in AI, machine learning, and quantum computing, I'm totally ignorant, so I learned so much. And it's very good to be aware, simply, of these things, because this holds at least part of the development of the future, I think, in my opinion. Both, say, first principle, straightforward, say, usual, traditional, you might call, approaches, together with machine learning / AI, have to work together. I mean, you have to provide data to feed this model. So, and therefore, for still a long time, there will be still the development of, say, more
Stefan, I will ask a different question to you. So what are the next steps to gain the interest, to maintain the interest and the momentum that you have gained during this past conference? What would you like to see happening in the coming months?
That's well, we're going ahead with the development of these edge codes. That's really the where the field is going now in gyrokinetics. Well, AI is certainly going to play a role in this as well, to come, for instance, what was mentioned were surrogate models to quicken these simulations. This could be an interesting development, but
yeah. I will not ask you about the impact, because we all know that plasma fusion is what we all would like to see happening in our future. So I just wish you very good luck for the future, and maybe we will discuss what happened this year at the next PASS conference.
Sure, we are strong supporters of the PASS conference. We've been there for all sessions except one, actually, and we hope to be next year.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.